Now I'm helping this little one to hatch because he's been peeping for 3 days and the shell was damaged and very, very dry inside. And as you can see, you have a little baby here that's still alive. So I'm hoping it will be possible to rescue him. So I'm just taking away the shell very, very slowly, bit by bit, and putting some moist putting some moist here so it doesn't get dehydrated, or rather I think it's already dehydrated, and I hope that parents will accept this little one that did not hatch in the box. But it has taken so long time and it looked so bad in the opening of the egg that I made the decision to help this little one. And it's quite a delicate job. I can see now it is a Lutino. We have a little Lutino here. So just I'm crossing my fingers and hoping that this will work, because this little one really wants to come out of the shell. And of course I don't want to lose it. No. Hi, little one. Ah, there's a little foot coming out. Yes. Ah, look. There's a little foot coming out of the egg. So, oh yes, good. I like this. I like this. He wants to get out. Oh, he's happy to get out, this little one. Oh, and there my little Anastacia was on the table, of course. Let's have a look. How is this going? There. Oh, yeah, it's a nice foot that's coming out. Hello, my baby. Hello, my baby. Yeah. Oh, aren't you a beauty? Yes. And this was really in time that I did it, I see, because there is no blood, there is blood nowhere, so I think this one has been ready to hatch since yesterday at least. So, I'm sorry, this doesn't work very well. I think that it's been ready to hatch since yesterday. So now let's see what happens when he comes out of the egg, out of the shell. Oh, it's difficult to make it look good on the video, but I hope you can see what I'm doing. And I'm just removing piece by piece of the shell here, very, very carefully, so that there are no veins attached. And yeah, so because we don't want to hurt this little one. I do have some help here. No, Anastacia. Anastacia, please. Ah, yes. No, Anastacia. Ah, yeah. Here we have a little baby. Yes. Yeah. Oh, welcome to the world, my little baby. Anastacia, please. Ah, what a shame. It's my little girl here. She's playing with everything. And also ruining everything for me. As you can see here, I have a little live baby. And Anastacia, please. And I'm going to just clean him up and directly get him into the cage with the parents, and I hope that they will feed him immediately. So I will have to keep a close look on this. Can you see the little one here? Yes. Ah, here he is. Here he is, my little baby. And of course he's weak. Yes, he's weak, this little one. So we will get him into the parents immediately. So we see if they get to feed him. So, now you see how I have helped a little baby into the world. And hope that it works. That it works out for him, or her. So let me present my new little family member. He's a beauty. He really is. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.